Hybrid vehicles are changing the road, but are you giving your hybrid the protection it deserves? Hybrid engines work differently. With frequent start-stops, cold starts, and extended mileage, they need advanced protection. Introducing Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment with HybridShield Technology, the ultimate solution engineered for hybrid performance and protection. Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment with HybridShield Technology provides superior lubrication, reduces friction and engine wear, improves fuel economy and power, improves oxidation resistance, improves dispersancy to reduce deposits and varnish, improves premium quality oil, eliminates dry starts, a leading cause of wear in engines. Drive longer, run cleaner, perform better. Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment with HybridShield Technology delivers unmatched protection. Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment with HybridShield Technology. The future of hybrid engine protection starts today.